Now we continue with the rest of the noun stems. Okay. Let's finish the mu first. Okay. Mu is the most most number of noun stems there with the mu. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, which is from row 3 until 11. All of them are verbal nouns. Okay. Okay, you have to sort of macam be clear that mu means one who. Okay, mu means one who. And when mu is when what comes with mu is the green ones, the infixes. When those infixes come with mu, it means that that form, any word that comes in that form is a verbal noun. Is a verbal noun. Except terbalik is not verbal noun, sorry. Only 9 is verbal noun. Nampak kan in the meaning? 9, only mu is a verbal noun when it comes in the form of number 9, which is mufa'ala. Okay, we tackle this first because there's only one verbal noun and the rest we do after this. Okay, so you have mufa'ala. Can you think of a word in Arabic or Malay that sounds like mufa'ala? Mas'alah, the form of mas'alah is maf'ala, not mufa'ala. Okay? And maf'ala is not here. Okay, so mas'ala is one of the rare ones. Okay? Mufa'ala, there's a ta here. Sorry? Mu'amalah. Okay? So you have mu'amalah. There's an alif here. So mu'amalah. What else? Someone mentioned something else. Mujadalah. Mujadalah. So yes, good. Mujadalah. Mujahada. Right? Mujadalah. Okay, let's hack this. Okay, so hacking is all about finding the root plus the form. The form for this is verbal noun, right? So the number 9 is verbal noun. The root, let's take jahada. Selalu kita cakap jihad. When we say jihad, it means what? To strive. To strive. Okay? To strive. So jahad, fight also can lah, but we use strive. Jahada is strive. So mujahada is striving. The striving. Okay, his mujahada, his striving. If we say root of jahada is fight, so his mujahada is his fighting. Okay, fighting. We won't go into the difference between the two because we are just talking about the how to hack this form. Okay, so jim dalam. What's the meaning of jadala? Jadala means debate, argue. So mujadalah, debate plus VN is equal to debating. Okay, or debate, the debate. Okay, sometimes you don't have to add ing because you don't need to. Mu'amala means do, right? Amala means do. So mu'amala The doing. The doing. Okay. In terms of formula, it means the doing. Okay. But sometimes the usage is different. Like mu'amalah now it means what? Transaction. Okay. Transaction. Okay. Where do you get the, why does it change to transaction? Because this alif has a meaning to it. This alif means trans. I just got it now actually. So this alif, usually I say this alif means saling. So you see how magical this is. Amala means do, which is action. This alif means transaction. Wow. Right. Nice, right? So this alif means apa? It means there are two way. So mujahada, when you fight, you call it mujahada. It's a two-way fight. That's why they call jihad. You fight in the war. There's two people who fight. But when you say strive, there's also two. You strive with your nafs. So two-way. So this alif means two-way street. Okay. This mu means one who. This one is verbal noun, so it doesn't mean one who. It means ing. This one means saling, inter, two-way. Boleh? Ke ni? Saling means inter. Like Inter Milan? Interchange. So yeah, macam itulah, tak ada so lagi.
There must be two parties.
There must be two parties. Kalau one party is without the alif lah, it's a different form. Muhasabah. Apa muhasabah? So hasabah maknanya account, kira kan, hisab, ilmu account. So muhasabah, inter account. It's like when we muhasabah something, and that someone muhasabah us. It's like macam Tuhan yang kita muhasabah gitu. So, kira mengira. Ya. Yeah. Accountant muhasib. Accountant muhasib, which is at number 5. See that? Mufa'il, muhasib. Okay. Anyway, the whole point of this is the form mufa'ala. The form mufa'ala, which has an addition of mu and alif. When there is an addition of mu and alif in the form of mufa'ala, it means it is a verbal noun. Okay. There's one more thing. It has to be fathah here. Okay. It has to be fathah here. Fathah. If it's kasra, then there will be another form which I have mentioned just now, which is row number 5, which is mufa'il. So we are done with mu, which is related to the verbal noun number 9. Now we go to number 3 until 11. Okay, 3 until 11. I can talk for another 2 hours about 3 to 11, but I'll just show you a shortcut. Okay, a shortcut. Okay, you just have to look at 2 places. Okay, from number 3 to 11, it is always about mu and or mu and a. Mu, e, mu, a. This a and e is at the second root. Okay, this mu is at the prefix stem. We call this prefix stem. That's why prefix stem. Prefix stem. Okay. So I will give you the meaning. What does mu e means and what does mu a means. Okay. Before that, I want to tell you what's the meaning of prefix and what's the meaning of infix, what's the meaning of suffix, to be clearer with you. When we say prefix, it's not just the particles and pronouns, it's also the stem that is connected to the roots. Okay, which means this mu is not an infix because it's not within the roots. This stem is a prefix, like the seeds. This stem is the suffix, like the seeds here. Okay, only two stems which is called infixes because they occur within the roots. Okay, so you have to be clear on that because there are two categorizations here, which is prefix, infix and suffix, and roots, stems and seeds. Okay, so bila balik just try to see that. Okay, now I'm going to give you the meaning of mu e. The meaning of mu e is one who is actually already written in the meaning sheet, one who, and the meaning of mu a is that which is. Okay, the meaning of mu'a is that which is. Remember, there is something else. There is another form that means one who. What is it? The three frequent forms. The alif in fa'il. The alif in fa'il, which I will highlight in green because it's an infix. This alif plus this form is also means one who. Okay, also means one who. And then there is another form which means that which is. Ingat tak apa dia? Maf'ul, right? With an infix of waw, with a prefix of ma, it means that which is. Terabia? Okay. So, ingat tak tadi kita kata the three most frequent noun stems. They are fa'il, which means one who. They are maf'ul, that means that which is, and another one is fi'il, fu'al, or fa'al, which means verbal noun. And now we are seeing another form which also has the meaning of one who, and that form is called mu'i. And another form that has the similar meaning as maf'ul, and that form is called mu'a. With the next example that I'll give you, it will become clearer. Okay. Okay. Mujahid. Can you see, is it a mu'i or mu'a? Mu'i. So what does that mean? One who strives. Okay, I'll give you a better example because this one may not be. Okay, move him. Mustaghfir. Okay. Mustaghfir. Can you see mu'i or mu'ah? What's the root here? The root here is ra, fa, ra. Okay. So I'm tricking you with this. Sorry, because there's the only example that comes to mind. So you look at number 11, row 11. Can you see that? What's the form here? Mustaf'il. Mustaf'il. So the mu'i, okay, and it can also be mu'ah. So when I say mustaghfir, it means one who does something. Okay, we have to know the root first. Okay, when I say mustaghfar, it means that which is done, whatever that root means. Okay, whatever that root means. Okay, I get another one which is clearer. Mukrim. Is this mu'i or mu'ah? Mu'i, right? So this is mu'i. How can you make it mu'ah? Mukram. Okay. When it is mu'i, it means one who. Apa makna karam? What's the meaning of karama? Karim. Karim apa? Generous. Generous. So one who is generous. Okay. Mukram. What's the meaning of mukram? That which is? No. That which is being generous upon. So mukrim is one who is generous. Yang mukram orang yang dapat tu lah. The one who receive. So that which is being generous upon. This may not be the best example because you have to play with the words a bit. Okay. So I'll just write that which is being generous upon. Melayu senang lah, Gani lah. Melayu senang. Kena belajar bahasa Melayu. Melayu senang. Melayu, mukrim maknanya yang aja. Yang mulia. Generous yang mulia, yang pemurah. Yang pemurah. Okay. Mukram yang dimuliakan. Yang dimuliakan. Okay. So yang mulia. Lepas tu ini yang dimuliakan. Okay. Muskil. Muskil. Betul lah. That's good. Aqilah. Muskil. So, is it mu'i or mu'ah? Mu'i, right? So, mu'i, we use the Malay first, Yang, okay, syakala maknanya susah. Okay, yang menyusahkan. Okay, yang menyusahkan. Sebab tu kita kata muskilah maknanya problem. So muskil yang menyusahkan. Yang menyusahkan. So in English instead we say one who. It can be also that who, because it can be this one can be a person and can be a thing. So mushkil can be one who creates problem, or that which creates problem, a thing that creates problem. So mushkil. So you can say Gani mushkil. Or this fan is mushkil. So if Gani mushkil, one who creates problem, and this fan mushkil, that which creates problem. Okay, so that is mu'i and mu'a. Okay, that's the shortcut to know the meaning for the row number 3 until 11. Okay, for now you just know that 3 to 11, the meaning of mu'i and mu'a, and what are the infixes. You notice what are the infixes. Just now there is another infix. Oh, sorry, this is prefix because it comes before the root. Okay, this is the prefix. Okay, any questions? I think we have to stop there. Next week we continue with the E, R, and whatever that comes below right and left. Okay, although I promised 6 weeks we will finish the theory, we have not. So we will go to the 7th week. Okay, we'll try to finish by the 7th week, at least the basic theory test, BTT. And then the advanced will be different one. Okay, the advanced we will take during our hacking process. While we hack, we take the advanced punya theory. Any questions? Gani dah giring kepala. So Naufal? No? Okay, if there's no question, we meet next week inshallah. Next week. Thank you so much.